If you are searching for open your own Shopify store, you will find the link in the description. The discount for this store, the discount is 14 days for free and 3 months for every month $1, even for 400 per month there is only $1 uh, for the month. So you can open your Shopify store as you want. You can start, and if you make money after the 3 months, you can go on and know this is your field and make your uh, decision, so you will not have something to lose. Just start your own store. The link in the description to start this free trial. This is exclusive, so you will find this link only in our channel. Thank you for watching. I hope this really benefit for you.